Okay, I'm Iris. I'm the coordinator for exchange students from the Office of International Affairs. We mainly help exchange students with immigration issues and also provide support for their academic or cultural adjustments. Usually students need to go onto our website and to apply for the opportunity to study at NCTU and log into the system and upload some information, and when we accept those information, then the students can just come and study. Okay, for Taiwan, I think Taiwan is a very peaceful and safe country, and Taiwan has a very convenient living environment, and people are very friendly to foreigners and eager to help. And if you study in Taiwan, you can also learn Chinese here. I think NCTU has good reputation for semiconductor studies, and it's also near the Hsinchu Science Park. And if students study here and they want to find a job here after they graduate, that would be easier for them, to find a job in Hsinchu here.
So before I came here, I didn't do much research actually. I just went, and the first thing I noticed was that the people are very nice, and then you also notice that the scenery is very nice. They have very beautiful nature here, and the food is amazing as well, and it's cheap, so you don't really need to do any cooking when you're here, which is quite nice.
There are 15,000 students at NCTU in total, and in these 15,000 students, there are 1,000 international students here. NCTU provides graduate dormitory for all the international students who live in, and each room equipped with 2 beds, 1 shower room, and 1 small balcony, because NCTU wants to provide all the international students a good living experience.
Yeah, so I would say that the campus is not very scattered, which is quite nice, because that makes it so that everything is within walking distance. And also if you want to go to Taipei, which is just 1 hour bus ride away from here, the bus station is also within walking distance. And also on campus there's a lot of parks, so you're never too far away from nature.
Yeah, the international students on the campus, we often eat together for lunch and dinner. We go out in the evening, have a beer on campus or off campus, go to bowling, karaoke. There's also a lot of different sports on campus. So teams with mixed Taiwanese and international students for example, basketball, football, the popular sports. For learning Chinese, I take 2 courses. The introductory course 1, which is about speaking and writing, learning the characters, and conversation 1. There we don't need to learn the characters, it's just about speaking and strong focus on just talking a lot. And for me it's both really okay, but I already learned a little Chinese back home. But in general I think the Chinese courses are quite good. So you learn a lot and it's very interactive and it's not hard studying, so it's funny mostly, quite often during class.
For international students, the most popular courses is language courses, especially the Chinese language courses. And the reason why it's popular is that teachers usually use a very interesting way to lecture. They will organize some activities to make students get involved in the class and make the class more interesting. And sometimes they will have some homework for making videos. I think that will improve their Chinese learning, language ability.
From what I experienced so far, I can really recommend Taiwan. The people are really friendly and helpful everywhere you go, even if they don't speak English that well. And there's a lot of different nature and landscape you can visit quite easily, traveling all over the country. Overall, I really enjoyed my time here in Taiwan at NCTU. Found a lot of good friends and we traveled a lot together, different places and many interesting experiences, and overall I can totally recommend everyone to come here and spend their semester here.